Ang sublimation large format machine ay ginagamit na 6 na araw na may 52 total meters. Printer head area, capping, head clean, nasa na wiper after head clean, nozzle test, ink system tama lang po, ground wire, AVR, waste tank, nilinis lang po ito kahapon. Ito naman yung stock namin na MYK. Ito naman yung sabli roll paper, consumable monitoring, sabli paper, cyan, yellow, magenta, black, delay output record, ICC profile.